Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk import and export leads into your kvCORE CRM. So some people may like to export their leads because they want all their leads into one spreadsheet and they like to look at data. Other people are trying to import all their leads from other CRMs, like maybe you're using Follow Up Boss or you're using Sierra Interactive or Real Geeks or something like that, and you just want to get all your leads into one place so that you want to know how to import your leads into kvCORE. So let's dive into my computer. I'm going to show you right now. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your kvCORE and you're going to be at a dashboard that looks something similar to this. And you can just go right to your lead engine, all lead engine, and right here you can go right here to this bulk import. And right here you can either have them submit a file and have them import it, or you can watch this little video and you can just do it yourself. You can just hit get started, and we'll get to that in a second because I'm going to show you. So I put together this little spreadsheet, and you can find this same spread, not this exact same spreadsheet. I've changed it around a little bit to be a little more user friendly, but you can basically almost get the same one. And if you want mine, you just put in the comment section below spreadsheet, and I'll have my VA reach out to you and send this to you. So this spreadsheet right here I link right to that exact article right here that talks about importing your leads. I'm going to go over this real quick with you. So first of all, if you use my spreadsheet, you're going to want to get rid of this row right here, and you just go delete row because at the top they need to have these headers right here. So at the very least, you're going to want to get this spreadsheet just so you can have these headers. You can delete the headers that you're not going to use. So the columns that you're not going to use, just go ahead and delete. But you need to have a first name, a last name. Their email address goes right here. Status, now whether it's a new lead, a sphere of influence, or active lead, I put all of the accepted statuses right here, and you only can use one of these in each contact. Now the next one is the hashtags, and up above here I kind of explain it a little bit. Each hashtag needs to be separated with one of these right here. And you can have no spaces between them. You can have like a little, right here, how it has like a little dash. You can have one of those, but you can't have any spaces. So you got a cash buyer or a buyer or a seller. This is where you're going to put those hashtags. A certain county, I like to separate my leads by county, so if I have a new listing coming up in that county, I can easily get to the people that are already looking there and send them out an email or a text letting them know. So then you have your cell phone. This is how you want to input their number. No dashes, no brackets, nothing like that. Just a straight number. Then you have your lead type, okay? You got a buyer and a renter. So you can have a buyer and a seller, but again, you have to have them separated with one of those little brackets here. And these are going to be your acceptable lead types: buyer, seller, renter, agent, vendor. You can have multiple buyer, seller. I just explained that. Now this is very important. Right here is where you're going to make sure that you have your email address for your kvCORE. So like for me, you come up here, here is my email address. So I want to make sure that this email address is right in here to the assigned agent, so they know when you're importing them, it knows what CRM to put them in, because this person with this cell phone number, believe it or not, could be in multiple different CRM programs. So go ahead and make sure you have that in there. You could have like a home phone. If they don't have a home phone, you can leave it blank. Email, text, and phone. Okay, so this is very important. So enable for you to be able to send them emails and text messages and call them on the phone through your CRM. These need to be set to true, all capital letters. If they don't want emails, you need to set it to false. This way, when you upload this contact list, it knows, your CRM knows to allow to turn that option on for you. You can put their primary address in their city, their primary state, and their zip code. Also, you can put last closing date if you had a closing with them. If not, just leave it blank. You can put their spouse's name, their first name, last name. Now, if you want them to get their own emails, things like that, have them be their own contact. You got your spouse's phone number, and then this stuff right here is very important. So you have where it says area, price, minimum price. These three things need to be filled out if you want them to be set up on a search right away, so that you don't have to go through and manually set up all these searches. You put like either an area, usually a city or a town, or a zip code, and then you have to have a price. You got to have like a maximum or a minimum price. No, this is the maximum price range, sorry, that you want them to receive listings up to. Now, when you're setting up these searches manually, you don't have to do that. You can just go in there and draw on the map, and you don't have to have like a maximum price if you don't want. But in order for this to work, you do. The rest of these, minimum square foot, max, year, you can put this stuff in there, but they still will be set up on that drip without them. But that's just kind of extra information. You got your type, you got your single, rental, single family. Also here you can add agent notes, things like that you need to know about this lead that you've collected throughout the years. Then you can put their birthdays in there if you want to start sending them out birthday things, birthday emails, birthday maybe a phone call, a text, something like that. You don't have to do that. Now right here, if you prefer all these to be in a vertical or a horizontal format, you can do it like this. I didn't put all the notes in there, but it's the same exact concept. You're going to put their first name, last name, things like that, but you're just going to go across with your each new lead instead of how this is set up where this one is set up where you go down. Now let's talk about how you export. Well, let's finish this. So what you would do is you'll hit get started. Once you've done this, you then go file, export, right? Ooh, where is it? Make a copy, email, download. Oh, download, sorry, right here. And then you'll do it as a CSV file, and then you'll save it someplace where you can find it. Then right here you'll go find it and then upload it right there. Now if you want to export all your leads, you go to your smart CRM right here, and then what you'll do is you'll go to more actions, you'll go to export contacts, and then you export your contacts to your email address. Then you'll be sent to your email address as a CSV file. You'll then have to go in and save it as a spreadsheet or upload it to your Google Drive and use it there if you want. Hopefully you got some good information out of this. If you did, smash that like button. I release new videos like this every single week. If you want more information about eXp Realty, feel free to reach out. Talk to you guys later. Have an awesome week.